do we know that hospitals are using clinical decision support systems, and how do we know that they are using it in the right way? I come from an organisation called HIMSS. Our mission in life is to try and improve health through the better use of information technology. Why do we have that mission? Well, as we've heard already, hospitals and healthcare kill people. And I don't know how accurate that slide is. There's a source down the bottom, but it grabs your attention, doesn't it? It grabs your attention without a doubt. We also know that a high proportion of those deaths are caused by drug issues. People taking the wrong drug, as Peter was talking about, people consuming the wrong dose. The adverse effect of medicines is a big issue for us. Pretty similar in the UK. 40,000 people in the UK die unexpectedly and unnecessarily as a result of medical error. 900 of those are related to drugs and medicines. This is something that we should be concerned about. Many of those deaths will be preventable. And I would imagine that if we looked at Spain, we would see something very similar. And indeed, wherever we looked, and I travel all over Europe, and working in hospitals, talking to doctors about clinical decision support, and the hospitals that measure this sort of stuff can all tell a very similar story. This is the MRAM scale that I was referring to earlier. Any of you who come from hospitals that have been through the process will be familiar with it. Any supplier colleagues in the audience who've worked with clinical and technical teams in hospitals who are looking to aspire to the higher levels will equally be familiar with it. And you can see both at stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4, we mention clinical decision support. And that's because HIMSS recognise that this is a key aspect of patient safety and a way to iron out variation that Peter talked about and increase overall the clinical quality of care that we provide for our patients.